that my object is here in the world, I can click the Run button and nothing happens. The reason nothing happens becomes clear when we open the editor for this class. If I open the editor for the crab class, we see that we have here a method called act, but the method is in fact empty. The act method is how you make the objects in Greenfoot act. So if I write something here, if I write move into this method and then I compile this and I place a crab again, and then it's a loop around act. So if I click this, it just calls act and act over and over again, and the crab runs over the screen, and I can drag it back here and it keeps running. We can then extend this, of course. I can just say edit turn, say 12 degrees. I compile this again, create another crab object, and now it moves and turns at the same time. I can also add keyboard input, so I can ask the Greenfoot environment whether a key is being pressed. Every key has a name. Left is the name of the left arrow key, so I can ask whether the left arrow key is being pressed, and if it has been pressed, then I turn. If we try that out, and I put my crab back in here, now it runs, and now I press my left arrow key on the keyboard and there it goes. There we turn around. But you can not only do games, let me just show you a few other examples. One of the other sort of applications that Greenfoot is really very nicely suited for are simulations. What I've got here is an ant simulation. I've got two anthills here, and the ants are coming out, and there are food sources here, and the behavior of the ants is programmed very, very simply here. What they do is they run around randomly until they find a food source, and when they find some food, they run back to the anthill and they leave drops of pheromones. That's these white clouds you see here.